and welcome to TechKnow. Today we're taking a look at another Kickstarter project, the Smoovie Phone Stabilizer. I myself backed the Smoovie Plus, which gives you a GoPro mount. I don't own a GoPro, but I do own other action cameras, and I feel that this is useful for the extra little bit of money you have to pay for it. The product itself uses magnets and weights to make sure your phone stays stable. There is also a dampener built here as well, which allows smooth turning, or you can remove it if you like it to be a bit more free floating as well. Depending on what size phone you have, you can adjust this counterweight here, which allows you to balance any size phone or any weight phone or action camera on it, which is certainly very useful for those people out there that have things like the Note series. If your phone has buttons in the places where these sit, you can adjust these rubber bits to sit outwards so it isn't resting on the buttons anymore, which again is certainly useful if you need it to balance it correctly. The handle itself has a tripod mount underneath it. It also has a lanyard hole on the end, and you can adjust it up and down depending on what angle you wish to hold the phone at. Something else you can do is there is a little screw here which you can loosen, and then you can change the angle of the phone, which will allow you to get any kind of shot you like. As I previously mentioned, there is a rubber dampener here which can be put in or removed from the Smoovie, which will allow the device to be a bit more free floating. Or you can put it back in and it will stop the device from moving around as much. The handle itself is made of plastic. There is also a magnet situated inside it which helps keep it centered. To put your phone in, simply stretch this piece upwards and place your phone inside. The Smoovie also folds away really nicely. You can just push this bit in, fold that down, and then wrap that around the back. You can get some nice smooth video shots with this, which is great versus some of the competitors which cost hundreds of pounds, such as the Xeon series and the G4 gimbals too, which are electronic with motors but take up a lot of space, are heavy and need batteries, whereas this you can just stick in your pocket, carry around with you and not worry about any of those issues. It also costs less than £20 on Kickstarter, and I assume that the retail price is going to be somewhere in that region as well. So here are a few test shots that I've done with this, just to show you how stable it is with your hand versus using this gimbal. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has given you a bit of insight into the Smoovie Gimbal, and maybe you'll consider getting one if you feel like this would be right for you, if you need it for portability. I certainly know this is going to be useful for upcoming events such as festivals that I'm going to be doing. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like and have a nice day.